Hello and welcome to my backyard grill. Let's talk about some barbecue chicken today. I'm going to show you the easiest and best way I know how to make a barbecue chicken. So let's talk about fire management right now, okay? Fire management for chicken is a no-brainer. We've got 2 baskets of charcoal on either side of the grill. We've got an indirect zone in the middle. We're going to light the woolly wood fire starters, one on each side. That's the easiest way that I know how to get your charcoal lit. The woolly wood, it's good stuff, and it doesn't make the smell that charcoal lighter does. Anyway, fire in the hole. Let's prep this chicken. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome. What I got going on for you today is a whole chicken. Now this methods that I use today are going to apply to whether you're doing a whole chicken or just chicken pieces. But I'm gonna spatchcock this chicken. I'm gonna try to talk while I work. I've got a pair of chicken shears right here. What we're gonna do is cut out the chicken's backbone with the chicken shears. And you can do this with a sharp knife if you have one. You're just gonna go up each side of the backbone and cut out the backbone of the chicken. It's real easy to do. I know I'm making it look hard. It looks like I'm struggling, but I'm not. It's not that hard. Just gotta snip through his backbone, get through it like that, turn him around, and go the other way. Cut right through there, right through there. Get some of that membranes. Start on the other side. Just cutting out his backbone. That's all you're doing. That's what you call spatchcocking a chicken. There you go. Come on. This doesn't take this long usually. Okay, let's get this done. Alright, now, some people say, save the backbone, make soup. I say, throw it out. You know, I'm just not that frugal. So what I'm going to do now is turn the chicken over. You could take a knife and cut his breastbone right there, but what I usually do is just flip him over onto the other side. Just give him a sharp wrap right there, or 2 or 3, just till he lays flat like that. Now you're good to go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to marinate this chicken overnight. I'm going to get him in this plastic bag that I have here. If I can get that open, that'll be a miracle. With these gloves on, maybe I should have opened it ahead of time. Okay, here we go. Got the bag open. Gonna get my spatchcock chicken in the bag, if I can, without the paper. Thank you. I know it looks like I'm struggling, but I'm really not. Okay, let's get him in there. I got the chicken in the bag. Get him in a bowl. Get this stuff out of the way. Right here. Get him in the bag. Get him in a bowl. What we're going to do now is take the cheapest Italian salad dressing that you can find. This is a cost $1 at the grocery store. And we're just going to pour that whole thing of Italian salad dressing on the chicken. And just marinate him overnight in that bag. And that's going to make the most juicy and delicious chicken you've ever had. If you're doing this with chicken pieces, that's fine. Whatever chicken you got, you just put it in that Italian salad dressing in a bowl overnight, marinate it. Tomorrow we'll get them out here and finish the prep and barbecue this chicken. So stay tuned. The chicken has been in the Italian salad dressing marinade all night. What we're going to do now is he's still wet and cold, because you know what my buddy Ken says? He says smoke sticks to cold wet meat. That's what he always says. He's a great guy, Ken. Go up in the iCard and check out Ken Heavy Metal Barbecue. He contributed the beer for today's episode. I'm just going to take some of my Root Boy rub and sprinkle it on that chicken. Some of my favorite rub for chicken right there. I made it myself. In fact, if you would like to try some, I'll give away some to one lucky subscriber. Be a subscriber. leave me a comment on this video and give me a thumbs up, and I'll give away some root boy rub to one lucky subscriber. Looks like I gotta make more. So it looks good enough to eat already, doesn't it? Okay, let's get it on the fire on indirect heat. Takes about an hour to cook a chicken. After an hour, we'll come back, we'll sauce them, take a taste, and drink a beer, a delicious IPA that Ken sent me. So stay tuned. Yardbird's looking mighty fine. She's clocking in at about 170 in the thighs, the legs, and at about 150 in the breast. Juices are running clear. It's time to sauce it down. So what I'm going to do is sauce it down with some of this Carolina Gold barbecue sauce, and I really like this. I got this at Trader Joe's. Just going to pour it on there. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Talk about some barbecue chicken. That's it right there. Just gonna spread that on there. Shut up, dog. Spread that sauce on there. Nice. We're gonna let that cook a little while longer. Let that sauce set up. Then it'll be time for the taste test, and my favorite part of the video, where we drink some of Ken's beer. Because he didn't want it, so he sent it to me. Alright, yes. Get some of that Carolina Gold on there. How's that look? Not too shabby, ladies and gentlemen. Not too shabby. That's what I call a Yardbird winner chicken dinner. Right there. Right there. Okay, let me get that on a plate. Take a glamour shot and get a beer. And we'll be the end of the video, so stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, the Frosty Root Boy mug. Today's beer, all the way from Pennsylvania from my buddy Ken, Heavy Metal Barbecue. Go up in the iCard and check out 10 Helltown Idle Hands Double IPA, 8% alcohol. Ho ho! Ken's trying to get me drunk. Oh man, you can hear the heavy metal playing when you open that can. Let me tell you what. Ken, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Some awesome beers from Ken lately, huh? Last week, this week, and next week. Oh yeah, look at that. Holy crap. That is the most beautiful sunshine yellow IPA I've ever seen. I bet it smells great. It smells awesome. Ken, thank you so much, buddy. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. What do you think? Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Hoppy deliciousness from Ken. My buddy Ken, let's get our Yardbird over here. I want to show you something. We're going to cut right into the breast of this puppy. You know how sometimes Yardbird can be, dry? Watch this. I'm going to cut right into the breast. I should have brought a fork, I suppose. Let me cut a piece of breast meat right off of that one. Get it over here. Look at that. Okay? How about that? The juice is running off that puppy. Let me tell you what. Let me take a taste of that. Wow. Best Yardbird you've ever had. Guarantee it. Marinate it in Italian dressing overnight. Barbecue it up. You'll love it. That's my video, ladies and gentlemen. I'm licking my fingers. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. Hope you'll come back next week. Check me out next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And this beer is awesome. Ken, thank you again. I can't thank you enough for the awesome beers. Anyway, babies, thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for some Root Boy Rub. Bye.